Guys, Saving with Shay, I'm here for a super quick, awesome deal I'm going to share with you guys. If you're new here and this is your first time hearing this voice, that's not the voice that you're probably normally used to hearing, definitely hit the like button, support your girl by subscribing as well. Listen, this ended up being such an awesome deal I had to share with you guys. It's going to be quick too. So I want to say last week, was it, My Best Deals posted with Social Nature glitching. And so I did it in one of my last videos and it glitched for me as well. So I did this deal today at Target and I wanted to share with y'all because it ended up working out to be much better than I expected. And these are going to be some really great items that I can put together to donate because, as y'all know, we're going through some issues and I know there's a lot of people that could really utilize stuff like this. So I'm putting together a bunch of stuff and so I thought this would really help. Listen, so the Yummy bars, those are priced at $5.59, and for that you want to get two. You have a buy one get one free offer for Social Nature, and you have a buy one get one offer for Aisle as well. And then for the little spoons, these are priced at 2 for $6. We have a buy one get one free offer on Social Nature, and then we have a free offer on Aisle. Now there was one for buy one get one free. I did that in my last video, but right now we're just using the one that's one for free. All right, so all four products are going to come to $17.18. You'll end up getting back 75 cents for each of the little spoons on Ibotta. There's also going to be a total of $8.59 for aisles, which is basically getting one of each free. The glitch, again, is with Social Nature. I did post on my community tab last night. There was a ton of different offers that popped up with Social Nature. As you know, those offers go really fast. Always activate them, whether you think you're going to use it or not, because you just never know if that item is going to pop up on a different app to make it an even better deal for you. And so I activated all of them. Most of them were pretty much little spoons products, which are at Target. All right, so I was supposed to only get back a total of $8.59. That was one of the Yummies free and one of the little spoons free. I ended up getting back $20.59, you guys. So it actually G-worded with 3 extra offers, which totaled $12, which was cool. So I got back an extra $12. And so it basically makes this a $13.50 moneymaker, which is really awesome. Now, we also have a spin offer on Fetch Reward. Spend 10, get back 3 on little spoons. And so I haven't quite hit that yet. I think I need to spend $4 more to hit that. So if the offer resets again, I'll probably do it again. There are some other little spoon flavors that I can grab for Social Nature. And so I really hope this video was helpful to you. It's something you can add to your list if you're already going to be at Target. And so if it was enjoyable to you, you found something helpful in it, don't forget to show your girl a little love by hitting that like button or you out the door. And as always, I will see you in the next video.